Father of mercies, God of all comfort, quiet my spirit deep within. You are my center, voice in my silence. I set my eyes on you alone. I adore you. I praise you.
God, I praise you.
I bless you for everything. I exalt you. I honor you.
My God, I honor you.
I love you in everything. My dearest friend, help for the helpless, I cling to you. My only hope, light of the world, way of salvation, with full assurance I turn to you. I trust you. I wait for you.
My God, I wait for you.
I hope in you for everything. I look to you.
I look to you.
I rest in you.
My God, I rest in you.
I depend on you in everything. In everything.